Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again with a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Midjourney to Discord server in 2025. So, what you will need to do is very basic. You are first going to have your Discord open, and then you will have to join the Midjourney server. Now, this is the Midjourney server, and how to get into it. Let me just leave it real quick, as you can see. And to get into it, you're simply going to click on this Add a Server, and from here you are going to either click on join the server, and also you need to create your own. So first, let's join the Midjourney server simply by typing Midjourney and click on join server. Once you have done that, normally they will take you to the Midjourney server. Now once you are in the server, you are going to actually need to create your own one. So I'm going to create one real quick, create my own, create for me and my friends, and let's name it here example video. So let's click on create, and here it is. Now let's go back to the Midjourney server and let's find it out. It's going to be in the top here somewhere. Here it is. And now let's go and click on this new by rooms, and here we click on the show member list, and on the right we wait for the members list to load. Once it's load, you all need to do is to go and search for the Midjourney bot, as you can see, and here click on add application. From there you will need to add to your server, so click on add to server, select your server, and here example videos, click on continue, give them all the authorization that you want, click on authorize, and just like so you have to go through this, and this server has already the Midjourney bot in it. As you can see, it has been done by success. So now I can go to my server, and here it is. The Midjourney bot is actually in here. Now you can try making your own pictures and images within your server. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.